What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RDR, and welcome to RDR Food Reviews. And today I'm at Dairy Queen. That's right, I'm at Dairy Queen because Dairy Queen just unveiled their new Blizzard of the Month, the Triple Truffle Blizzard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get it and cop that thing, and I'm gonna try it, and we're gonna see what this new Blizzard of the Month is talking about. All right, Dairy Queen, it's your time. Let me go get my order, and I'll be right back, guys. One sec. All right, so here it is, man. We got that triple truffle. Oh man, oh no, that triple truffle blizzard. And like I said, it's their new Blizzard of the Month. As you can see, they hit your boy with loads of that truffle. Look at that. Man. I can slurp that thing down. All right, so without further ado, this is the new Blizzard of the Month from Dairy Queen. Let's get right into it. Wow, I'm gonna dig at this little piece. See that little bit of truffle? Look like little bitty peanut butter cups. Gone. Wow. When I came and got this, the lady said that it took them a minute to make it because they didn't know how to make it because it just came out. So I was ecstatic because I was like, oh man, I'm the first one to cop that. So anyway, it's creamy. I'm getting a lot of that fudge and the nuttiness from the peanut butter cups. Pause. Very decadent. I mean, you're getting loads of them truffles, man. Loads of it. Look at that. So delightful. It's super gooey from the inside of the truffle and the caramel. I can't stop eating this, man. Dairy Queen, you doing this thing, man. I mean, I liked the blizzards from last month. The salty blondie caramel blizzard was really good, but the truffle, the triple truffle, might be up there. Like I said, you keep getting loads. All I'm hitting is more and more chocolate and triple truffle, man. It's like they're giving you loads of it. You're getting so much. I mean, a lot of the ingredients. If you get a mini, it's like 280 calories. So you really can't lose. But it's super satisfying and it's delightfully good, man. It's like the deeper and deeper I go, the more and more they give me of that chocolate. I mean, the triple truffles. The more and more deeper I go, it's more and more of it. They really hooked your boy up. And why are they still doing that Guardians of the Galaxy thing, man? I don't understand that. Why are they still promoting that? Cool, man. And refreshing. I can give a rating for the new Triple Truffle Blizzard Treat from Dairy Queen, I'm gonna have to give it a solid 9, man. I'm gonna have to give it a 9, man, because they giving you loads of this Triple Truffle Blizzard, giving you loads of the main ingredients. It's creamy. It's very decadent. It's smooth, and it's who doesn't like chocolate and peanut butter and fudge all up in the cup? You know what I'm saying? And like I said, they're giving you loads of this ingredient, man. Like it's really what it is, man. And I'm glad that this is the new Blizzard of the month. Oh man, it's great. All right, guys. So that was my review for Dairy Queen Triple Truffle Blizzard Treat. Like this video, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this new video, about the new Dairy Queen Triple Truffle Blizzard, the August Blizzard of the month. If you had it yet, it's your boy RDR. I'm signing out. Sorry about the cloudiness or whatnot, the overcast, but it's all good. As long as you got to see the treat, it's all good. It's your boy RDR. I'm signing out. God bless. And like I said, food is a gift, so give thanks. It's RDR signing out already.